Alright, so I had this problem. My screen went black. I was able to listen to music. I could even answer phone calls. But for some reason, I was not able to navigate or see anything on my screen. Now, I got it to work. And this is what you need to do. Alright, theoretically, imagine the screen was black. Alright, you would press down home once. Alright, it would go home. If for whatever reason you press that little button. Alright, 2 clicks to the right or more, up to you. Alright, you press down, it'll enter. Alright, then you can shift to the right 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or more. And then from 6, you're gonna turn the knob down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From there, you would press down on your knob, press enter, boom. Then if you want to do factory reset, you turn the knob to the right once and then press enter. Alright, so I already did that. I fixed my stuff, I already programmed everything, so there's no need for me to do that. But if that doesn't work, try to do this. Alright, if that doesn't work, there's another way you could reset your computer or CMU by pressing down the navigation, the back button, and the mute button at the same time. You hold it down. Alright, usually about 20 seconds. There you go. You release it. It basically does a quick restart. Alright, those are 2 methods that I know on how to restart or factory reset your CMU for your Mazda 3. I believe 2014 and up, or Mazda 6 as well. And there you go, guys. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other problems. Alright, shoots.